Hey guys, Tom from Lifestyle here. Today I'm going to talk about a few quick ways you can make money in 1 hour. No, you're not going to make hundreds of dollars. I'm talking $5, $10, maybe 20, depends on what you do. This video isn't designed to make you rich. It's just for people who only want a couple dollars in the next hour or so. So if that sounds like what you need, then you're at the right video. If not, there's many more I put in the archives as well on lushdollar.com. As always, I'll explain each option a little bit in detail as well as provide links in the description. So with that being said, let's begin. First one I want to talk about is Instagc. This is a fantastic way to earn $5, maybe $10 in the next hour. The great thing about the website is that they pay out almost instantly, hence the name Instagc. If you're unfamiliar with the platform, let me show you how they reward you here. As you can see on the top here, you have an earn button, and when you click on that earn button, it brings you to a variety of options, as you can see right on the tab I have open here. And many of them, you're going to find that the all will bring up every platform that they work with, as well as categories that you can break down. So if you just want to do surveys, you can click on this, tasks, videos, and so forth. And if you want to earn money pretty fast, I've found that surveys will provide you your points almost instantly up here. And you can see up here I have 1,700 points. Every point is a penny, so that's $17 in reward. So for example, if we're on the surveys tab here, and you click on the Instagc tab, this is one of my favorite. You can see it'll load up. And near the top here, I see a $2 survey for 15 minutes, $3.30 survey for 20 minutes, and so forth. And these always refresh. And you can click around on all those other third-party offer walls you could see here as well. You're not going to qualify for every survey that you click on, unfortunately, but you will usually 10, 20, 30% at most, depending on your demographic, get approved for these surveys. But what I'll do is just start clicking through. You can sort up top. So if you want quick ones, this one right here is a great one, 75 cents, only takes you 4 minutes. 85 cents, 10 minutes. Keep doing these, and there's no reason you can't earn $5, $10. And then when it comes time to redeem, you can go to the gift card store here. They have a variety of gift cards, almost every gift card you can think of, as well as other rewards. You can see that they have Bitcoin option, direct deposit, as well as PayPal. Instagc is 100% free to join. It only takes a second, and you can start earning, and within the next hour, you can earn a couple dollars. SuperPay.me. This works a lot like Instagc, but in my eyes, they're not as popular, but they do have a variety of surveys that can make you much more than some of the offers that I saw on Instagc. What I like about this site is that they have a lot of offer walls that a lot of other survey companies don't work for. And you can land right on the dashboard here, and you can see that these are today's top paying offers. So you have 85 cents, $1.20. And what I like about this site is that they just tell you the cash earning. There are some that'll pay in points, but most of them will be in a dollar form. So for example, right here, I'm looking at latest surveys. You can see that they're pretty decent. $1.27 for 12 minutes, $1 for 9 minutes, and so forth. $2, 13 minutes. And then there's little ratings that users can put if it's a good survey worth taking. What I like to do is just go up to the paid surveys, and then I go to the top surveys, and then you'll get a variety of most popular. This list just goes on. And if you went through this, then you can click through any of these panels that link to your account here. There's many of them. You can keep busy all day, and there's hundreds of surveys, no matter what your demographic is. And aside from that, they also have the offer walls, but generally the offer walls might take a while to post to your account unless it's an instant one, such as giving your email or so forth. But if you're going to do one that makes you sign up for something and has a 30-day waiting period, then you're not going to obviously get paid within the hour. But if you go to your rewards, you can see that there is a withdraw cash button here. See everyone that's getting paid. It's a legit company. So if you do go to your withdraw cash, you can see that they have an instant PayPal option that you can cash out up to $50 a day, and it's instantly to your PayPal account. This is another one, of course. Everyone I'm mentioning is 100% free. QMe is another survey-like website that pays you within minutes of requesting a payout, and you're just going to get a list of surveys that pay a strict set number. So this one right here, I'm showing you a screenshot, $2 for 16 minutes, $2 for 12 minutes, and so forth. And it's very easy to use. Just answer the questions, and you get cash rewards for your time. And what's great about QMe is they have a very low cash out rate of 1 penny. So once you earn a penny, you can cash out with your PayPal. And in most cases, it's almost instant, but you're not going to get rich with this app. Maybe $5 in the next hour or so, maybe 10, but it's one of the higher paying, quickest paying survey apps that people generally enjoy. At the moment, creating this video, they have 57,000 reviews, and the average review is a 4.3 out of 5, which is pretty good. And it's a very, again, reputable company. As you can see, if you scroll down the bottom, has over 1 million installs and is operated by a very reputable site that I have researched in the past. Again, all the links for every one of these apps and websites will be in the description. This one's a little different. You're going to have to get out of your house and go. But if you're willing to sell your plasma, there's a good chance there's a plasma center nearby. And they'll pay you for your donation as long as you meet the guidelines. It's generally in good health, non-smoker, etc. And you're not afraid of needles, then it's a great way to donate as early as an hour or so and get paid up to $50 for your donation if it's your first time. You can make a lot more than if you're a repeat donator. I've written about this topic in the past. I've even created a video, but for now, what you're going to do is just search for a plasma center near you. As you can see on my screen here, these are the ones near my home. And then if you're interested, you can click on that plasma center. So for example, if I clicked on this donation center, most of them will tell you information on how much you're going to get paid, as well as sometimes there's offers. So if I sign up here, I can get a $10 bonus. I bring that coupon in. And if you can't find anything about the company, then what you can do is say Google the name. So for example, if I just say CSL Plasma, oftentimes it'll show the closest one here. I can click on it, and what happens when I do that is I can see right here, how much do you get paid? A lot of people ask, and then this person answered 50 times for your first 5 visits, as long as it's within 45 days. So if you went to this plasma center near, hypothetically, as your house, then you'd get paid $50 within probably an hour or two, as long as you get in, most time you can. So again, check that out. There's a plasma center near you no matter where you live. Sometimes you may have to drive far, but if you're willing to go drive and there's one really close, you're not afraid of needles, something to consider. See if you have a Plato's Closet or Once Upon a Child near your home, because they'll offer you cash for your clothes. There's others as well, most of which you can just search for, say, clothing consignment store near me or sell clothes near me. And as long as your clothes are in good condition and it's a brand they accept, you could earn anywhere from $1 to $5 per item. Generally how it works is you'll bring in your clothes, and they'll check it out, they'll review it. You can check out the store while you're there. They'll text you or call you when they're ready, and then they pay you cash on the spot. And if you want a gift card for the store, you can get paid a little bit more. But if you want cash on the spot, this is a great way to do so. You can go to the websites of any of these sites. Generally, they'll have all the brands you can see right here that they'll accept. So if you have any of those, they'll be willing to give you cash. Again, you're going to have to go out of your house. But if you have a lot of designer brand clothes from your kids or your babies, whatever it may be, could be a great way to come in and get cash on the spot and easily make money in the next hour. And the last thing I want to mention is a Facebook marketplace. There has to be something that you can sell online and know it. To start with your electronic gadgets, anything of value that you don't really need anymore, and price it aggressively, and you never know who will contact you within minutes. Come to your house, or meet up at a police station and sell it. You can see here people are getting rid of everything from shoes to TVs to dressers. And again, as long as it's in demand, you can even look at the popular categories right now on it. Just pop it up, create a meeting spot. Again, I recommend the police station. A lot of them have drop-off points there. Exchange cash, give them the item, and boom, you have money within an hour again, as long as it's something that you'll be able to sell. Okay, so that's going to wrap things up. I have many more options to make money in an hour, but some of the options you kind of have to sign up. It might take you 24 to 72 hours to get accepted. So say DoorDash, Instacart, Uber, all of those you can sign up and get access to the instant pay option. But unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do it right now and get paid within the next hour. That's what this video is about. But I give many more ideas to that link in the description. As always, everything I recommend is honest. It's legit. These options, unfortunately, aren't going to get you rich, but it'll make you money in the 1 hour. That's what you wanted to do. It's going to do it for now. As always, go to LesDollar.com. Check out the video archives. Check out all the articles I've written in the past. I'll continue to add as much as I can. It's going to wrap it up. Like, comment, subscribe. It always helps me out. I'll see you guys next time.